already. About to cop the boy. About to get the box for it, and yeah.
$5.95. There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh Cuts with another luxury designer pickup. As you've seen before, I just went to Neiman Marcus in store. Shout out to King of Prussia, $5.95. And if you're buying this secondhand, just know that this box is very, very smooth. Got the barcode right here. I don't know if it's usually right there or not, so don't quote me on that. And you also got this, and it's a large bathrobe blue. On the left side, that's what the top. On the right side, nothing there. And if you're buying this secondhand off of somebody, there is nothing on the box at the top. Nice wax paper. Left, right. And you have your Versace bathrobe. There you go. And I have this as a size large. As you can see, that's what the tag should look like. Home. I like how they have that home right there. Underneath the barcode, just a little sparkle on the tag, you know. Little sparkle effect, I like that. A little wax paper. This is your Versace tag, yada yada. You can pause that. All right. And of course, the price is $5.95. About to try this on. Man. Nothing else in the box, just have your little belt loop. There's two sides of it. You just got the Versace wording. And then on the front, you have the Versace golden statues. And nothing else in the box, just the wax paper. I'm gonna keep this box. And nothing on the back of the box, just normal box, man. Now let's go try this bad boy on, man. All right, you guys, this is basically how the bathrobe looks. This is a large blue. Like, again, I'm 6 feet, you know. Kind of reach up to my wrist, if you can see that. You know what I'm saying? I think you can see more hints of the blue. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure you can fold the cuffs. You know, if you fold it, it does have the Versace on the insides as well. I don't think it's reversible, but the belt is reversible. I don't know how to really tie it, but, you know, I'm gonna figure that out later, you know what I'm saying? It's all about the robe, baby. You know what I'm saying? Got the gold, matching the gold. And yeah, this is basically how it looks. It has 2 belt loops. If I'm not mistaken, there's no belt loop in the back. So that's how it looked from the back view. Yes, sir. And yeah, I do prefer you to get maybe a size up from what you usually do. I'm basically like a medium size guy. Hopefully you can see that. Man, I love this one, man. I love the way females look in it too. I'm gonna do it from the left side. I love how females look in it, you know what I'm saying? Especially with the pink, the multicolor one. They have so many flavors out. And I love this one, honestly. You know, it's kind of like laid back, chill out, not doing too much on the color side, but still show the luxury behind the bathrobe. Okay, so the pockets, I don't know if you can see, but pockets right here, and there's a pocket right here. And yeah, so what was I saying? Man, this bathrobe, man, I'll be forgetting what I say. It don't even matter, man. I might just get a mug of coffee with this thing, man. Cup of tea. I just feel like top of the luxury, top of the elegance, you know? Like I said, I would get a size large if you fall towards the 5'11", 6 foot, 6'1". Definitely get a large. If you taller than that, then get an extra large. I know a lot of people have been wanting to get their hands on this. You know, they sell out fast. So the fact that I found it in store made me want to get it even more. Yeah, another back view. And if you're a female, even if you're small, I would still say the medium, you know what I'm saying? Like, you paying a lot of money for a bathrobe, so try to get the most out of it as possible. I still like the baggy. I like the bagginess on it. You know, especially if you're a male, get a medium, man. You know what I'm saying? Get a medium. I don't know how to do the belt loop. You know, I'm not gonna do this side. I feel like this is more on the flashy side. Maybe switch up here and there, but that's basically how it looks. The materials is not as soft as you wish it was. It basically feels like a beach towel. That's the only downside to it. But I mean, honestly, man, it's Versace, and you know, best of the best designer stuff usually is not the best quality. Maybe a little bit disappointment, especially if you pay the amount of money. You know, like $600 bathrobe. I do want it to be a little bit softer. I want it to feel like a sheep's ass. You know what I'm saying? I want to feel like yo, feel this, man. Like, feel this. This is not like, yeah, basically towel material. But you get what you paid for. You know what I'm saying? And it still looks very nice. I'm planning on getting the red one, honestly. I want the red one real bad. And if you 6 foot higher, 5'11", even 5'10", I would still say get a large. Make sure you just get, you know, get the best out of your robe. You know, you pay that much money, you know. I know it's cool to be, you know, buying a small size right now, but when it comes to bathrobe, it's a little bit different. So make sure you try to get a size larger than what you usually get. And I hope I answered all your questions. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I got so many things to show you guys. I have a vacation vlog coming up. Make sure you see that. Jordan 1s in the back. Y'all don't want to miss that, all right? Y'all don't want to miss that at all. It's your boy Fresh Cuts. Subscribe, please. You know what I'm saying? Philly in the building. Support, love, honor, respect. You know what I'm saying? And look out for the ones that love you. I'm gone.